Hey there. If a fire, a flood, or a break in happened tomorrow, could you tell your insurance company exactly what you owned? Most of us couldn't. That's what this template fixes. Let me walk you through the emergency preparedness and household inventory tracker tab by tab so you know exactly how to use it the moment you download it. Start on the instructions tab. This is your roadmap. It tells you which tabs to fill in first, and honestly, you don't have to do this all in one sitting. 20 minutes a week, and you'll be completely covered in about a month. Read this once, then move left to right through the tabs. The home inventory tab is the heart of it. Every item, room by room, with the model, the serial number, what you paid, and what it costs to replace. Watch what happens when we fill it in. We logged a 65-inch Samsung TV, $12.99 when we bought it, worth about $900 today, but $1,400 to replace. That gap between current value and replacement cost is the number that matters when you file a claim. Next is the insurance summary. Put every policy in one place: homeowners, auto, life, health, umbrella, flood. But scroll to the bottom and you'll find the part people miss. The coverage gap analysis pulls your total inventory value straight from the inventory tab and compares it against your personal property coverage. If that number goes negative, you're underinsured, and you'd rather find that out right now than after a fire. The Emergency Kit tab is a 72-hour supply checklist that grades itself. Enter what you actually have on hand, and the status column flips to ready, low, or needed automatically. We've got 6 gallons of water, 14 cans of food, a first aid kit, and see that expiration column? Set it once, and you'll never open a granola bar from 3 years ago again. Important documents? This is where your birth certificates, passports, deeds, and titles live, or rather, where you record where they live. Physical location in one column, digital backup in the next. Notice we deliberately left the Social Security card row's digital backup blank. Some things you should never scan. That's a real decision, and this tab makes you make it on purpose. The Emergency Contacts tab starts with the numbers you'd need at 2 in the morning. Police non-emergency, the ER, your doctor, your vet, your pharmacy, then personal contacts, including who has a spare key, and at the bottom, every utility with the account number written down, because nobody remembers their gas account number while standing in the yard smelling gas. The family emergency plan is the one I'd fill out first if I only had 10 minutes. Every household member, their school or work, and critically, their medications. Leo's peanut allergy and his EpiPen, Sophia's inhaler, then your meeting points, your evacuation routes, and exactly where the water main and gas valve are, plus who actually knows how to shut them off. The maintenance schedule tab is the boring one that quietly saves you thousands. HVAC filters monthly, smoke detectors monthly, dryer vent quarterly, water heater flushed once a year. Enter the last date you did it, and the status column tells you what's overdue. A clogged dryer vent is a fire hazard caught by a spreadsheet, and it all rolls up to the dashboard. Total items logged, total replacement cost, your kit readiness percentage, how many maintenance tasks are overdue, and your insurance coverage gap, all on one screen, plus an annual review checklist so this stays current instead of going stale in a folder. That's the whole template. 9 tabs, every formula already built, works in Excel and in Google Sheets, and it's an instant download. The link is in the description below. Go get your household documented before you need it, not after. Thanks for watching.